So much for each and everyone for tuning in.
All right.
Inside the bus, inside the taxi, inside everywhere in this wonderful morning.
All right.
Good morning to Ben Nandore, tuning in from Bolatanganes, UK. Going to North K, UK.
All right.
In this wonderful morning, tuning in from his own vehicle.
Really?
Thank you so much, Ben Nandore, for tuning in. Likewise to the village of his village. Mbotinaulu Wenimala Maine Tansiri. And Benandare Saloma Lebutuyani and Namataka Vinaka and Denda.
To Den Vagatawambay and the village from Namosi Koro and Namosi Veden. And Nanomatual and Reva Au Nungulavo. Angani Udim Balita Sereboni Vinaka this morning. Iskeli Nabono and the family, to especially to Penny Sing and Row. Kekele Pimoa Nomonro and Bakili Mendai Bonivina Metabu Sangani Karoko. Kenabubale. Thank you very much. 7 Mila Tamay and Tinay Benina, all the way from Scotland. Somutongo Keteriki, Tamay Rubina, or Rubina Nelly Ketine Rubina Tinay Venina, Junior Benina Ketamay Venina, Tamay and Tinay Venina. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
And likewise to Shiri Kimura. Shiri Kimura tuning in from California. Shiri Kimura, Semi, Juju, and Kaylani.
Okay.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Likewise to Nina Morel.
Nina Morel all the way from the NZ, New Zealand. Monica Zink, Wenimbu. John Kumar, thank you very much to Napoleon Itambuabu. Oh, ahoy! This from Sabu Bungalite Levu. Say good morning to Sweet Jamaica, especially to Tajim, na Pana, Tinay D, Tinay Bianca, and the babies. They're joining na Sena. Tasemi, thank you very much for joining this morning.
And likewise to Samuel Alubu tuning in from New Zealand. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Likewise to the family. To the Rokowanga family. In McFarlane Rewanga. McFarlane Rewanga. Preparing for school and for jobbing in this wonderful morning. Likewise to their family in Tavia over Lau. Tavia over Lau.
Okay, well, good morning to the family too, to Tamay and Tinay Benina. Oh, good morning, thank you very much. All the way from their place this morning. And also to say good morning to the Vilkes and Londovico. Thank you from Catterick, Garrison, England. Thank you very much to the family joining this morning. Lamba to Naisam Bolabinaka, and also to the family for Naibilang Giokata, Rabatu Ndu Turangan Damdamon Bolabinaka, and also to everybody joining this morning.
To Mike Bravo tonight, Eggy, Penny Mother, Nina Morel, and Melin Netherlev tuning in away from Brisbane in this wonderful morning.
What is Friday?
Friday is Freaky Friday.
You explain about the days and its name.
Friday is the day when it's come to the end of 1 week of jobbing, 5 days.
Right.
After 5 days you jobbing, it's come to Friday. That's why it's F.
There where is
Friday for 5. Friday for 5.
Oh, F. Fry means 5.
Fry means 5.
Okay.
Friday. 5 days of jobbing. Some of us, we go through 6 days jobbing. Some of us 7 days jobbing. But lots of us, 5 days jobbing coming to Friday.
Okay. So what does Monday means to you?
Monday is the second day, starting of the week.
Describe who is Monday.
Monday is when you wake up in the morning, your very laziness is very lazy.
Okay, the hypertension of your laziness is on par.
On par. Because you eat too much on Sunday.
All right.
And drink too much grog on Saturday.
Okay, Gas Tuesday. What is Tuesday? Tuesday
is the second day when you hype up.
All right.
Your body is very, very hyper.
Okay, Wednesday
when is your body is very, very normal.
What is Wednesday?
Wednesday is the day in the middle.
How many days are there in Wednesday?
Lots of days. Yes.
All right.
Lots of days in a week is Wednesday.
Okay, Julum.
And it's likewise to everybody.
Yeah.
And Thursday.
Okay.
Thursday when you become, it's a little bit hyper up is coming.
Okay, Thursday.
Thursday.
Okay.
When you go in the afternoon, you drink a lot of grog. In the morning, you late to work on Friday.
So that means you weren't able to receive your salary.
Oh, not receive our salary, man.
To all the Sila Central School, to all the students for the pass out today, congratulations, especially to the family, the teachers, the guardian, and the OBs of the school of Sila Central.
Yeah.
Today is their pass out. Napoleon Itambobo, thank you very much for joining today. Ahoy! Thank you very much. Avichal Kumar, especially to Robin Lee Remechis, Robin Lee. Thank you very much. We love you all in different occasions, different movement, different feelings, and different attitude.
See,
joining this morning.
Those people from UK, they said Wednesday is good boy.
Yeah.
Wednesday is a good boy because in the middle. And likewise to Jane and the mother Tinana Seni Nandore, tuning in from UK in this wonderful morning. The father too is driving to work.
Unai Simarama, Sila Central, thank you very much for joining this morning. I want to ask you another question. Did you know the 5 fingers you have here in your hand? Okay, describe in Fijian. What is this one?
This one is a thumbs up. Okay.
Oh, what is the Fijian name of the thumbs up?
No munda ngangalo levu.
This is Ndovin Kakana.
So that's why lots of the kids, when they want to eat, they put inside their mouth.
Yeah, this is what we call the Ndovin Kakana. The second one.
The Ndovin or the Ndovin?
Ndovin Kakana.
Oh, I think the Ndovin.
No, Ndovin. Okay, the second one is what?
The second one is the Dusin.
Dusin Turanga.
Iyo.
So the third one?
The third one is the Tortono.
Huh?
Tontono.
It's not Tortono. The third one is a Tumbusibitira.
Oh, Tumbusibitira. I know. I thought it's very long and it's very fatty. I thought it's a Tortono, like you press one stick or anything.
Yeah, that's coming from experience, eh? Tumbusibitira is a long one. The third one?
A third one.
How come you don't know this part of your body?
They never taught me in school.
They never taught in school, but we taught in surrounding. This is the Darandari Mama.
Oh, the ring holder.
Yeah, the
ring holder.
Yeah.
Marriage
is for that. And the last one?
Last one is the small one.
Huh?
Small finger.
No, this one for Luki Mate.
Oh, Safala?
Yeah. Okay. So you understand Luki Mate?
What does that mean, Luki Mate?
That means when you're about to die, you see this finger. This finger. All your finger will be straight. This one will be bowed down.
This morning I saw your finger is bowed down?
Yeah, that's mean coolness. That's why we name it in English. Ndovin Kakana. Food warmer. Ndovin Kakana. Food warmer. La disin turanga.
Yeah.
Pointing. Pointable finger. The Tumbusibitira is a long neck.
Long neck. Yeah.
The other one is a
marriage certificate.
No, the ringa.
Oh, the ringa.
Yeah. And that one is for passed away. The method of describing your finger. Okay,
what if one morning you wake up and you see the passed away finger is lucky?
I'll remove from my body. I'll remove from my body to using the chopper.
Why you have to remove? You have to respect.
I don't respect because they don't want to respect me. Why you invite you in your body when does not evolve in your respiratory system? We love you, small finger.
We love you, small finger. Don't lucky.
Yeah, don't lucky. Straight up. It's coolness. Be punctual.
Be punctual, sorry.
Hey, whenever Punjas celebrating 90 years, we love you all. Thank you very much.
Hey, Demes, LT 5908. Tabeuni pick up and drop off LTA Tabeuni.
Yeah. All right. Miriam Hayes, Billy Senia, thank you very much for joining this morning.
Hey, wait. You serious? Hey, are you serious? Why are you looking so much? Hey, come here, look to me. Are you serious?
No, because camera is here in front of me.
Oh, are you serious? This one is look in the mate.
Yeah, look in the mate.
Oh.
Everything in our body is being classified.
Huh?
It's being classified. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Ule siratundra, now 10 o'clock and last night we drink grog. Boy.
10 o'clock last night?
Enter the home 10 o'clock, then we start drinking grog at home, you know? It's like ice block. Very cold. Hey, Andra Barsico, what's those singing yabi? Don't believe in my malbao. Nakelo Tailebu. Good morning to the family. Joining this morning.
Yeah.
Especially remove.
Remove what?
Right. Marisa, Dinisa, and Delen Rabuni.
Left
tanga tabole mun may vale but kay Samuel Happy Friday to you.
It's today's Friday.
Yeah.
Lots of people they happy.
They're happy.
They're looking forward for some of the Kababera.
Hey, gas us mulare kase. Usia de kubu. May New Zealand. Mulare hey sa halolo. Choli turanga. Binawali Marisa. You know, it's Friday, some of us will be happy.
Like Shady used to say.
Yeah.
Isan rambula bilang na turanga.
Yeah.
Ni untuk redi kemudian rondo bila samindo tu belum marutaki.
Abang go Sandy. Vital nongor nimbo kani kina na video.
Mabia kayo Cindy.
Yeah.
Nendo redi kemudian rondo bila saya. Ento kan biar marutaki. Nendo redi kemudian rondo bila sami. Warai Allah bango.
Bila sami mekam katambotin na watunggang.
Okay, kita sadar tamale.
Ngobe kersada panin mina kalai khat ngai siatakan on talai matani ko na token dan bengravi.
Turun tani.